Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing representation of geographical features. First of all, in order to understand this chapter, we need to understand what is geographical feature. Students, geographical features means uh, natural features. Students, our earth is not even. There are some features or land features present over it, like mountain, plain, plateaus, valleys. These are nothing but geographical features. So now in this chapter we are going to see how can we represent all these features on the map or globe. Students, first of all, we have seen in my first video lecture that what is globe and what is map. We have defined map and globe, and at the same time we have also seen the merits and demerits of map. Students, when we want to represent these geographical features, then these are the two ways, globes and maps. First of all, if you want to see the whole map at a time, then we need to we need to make a model of the earth. By making the model of the earth, we can see the entire earth at a same time. We can observe whole earth at the same time. But if you want a detailed information, then we need to transfer these information on a piece of paper, or you can say that flat surface, and for that we represent it by transforming the information from the globe on a flat surface. So what is map? Now question comes, what is map? Map is nothing but it's a representation of a whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface by given scale. Now I need to explain types of map. Students, there are two types of map: large scale map and small scale map. Now I need to differentiate it. Student, if you want to see any place on a map with a much information or detail, we need to represent that small area on a large space. So it's always, large scale map is always prepared with a large scale, maps are always prepared with large scale. Now second one is small scale maps. So small scale maps are the maps where detailed information can't be shown. But in the case of large scale map, the detailed information can be shown. Every detail can be shown over there. Now students will see the importance of map. Students, maps are used by the human being for fulfilling many purposes. You can see that importance of map: provide a lot of information for planning of roads, residential complexes, factories and parks. So for constructing or all of these places, maps, information provided by the maps are very important. It's useful for sailors, pilots, drivers, meteorologists, miners, surveyors, engineers and environmentalists. They all use the information provided by map for different purposes. Now strategies made by the defense personals also need information provided by the map. So students, in order to fulfill their different works, accomplish their different works, they need information provided by the map. Students, so far up to here we have covered globes and maps, and today we have covered the different types of maps. In our next video lecture, we'll see sketch and plan in detail. At the same time, we'll also see comparison between map, sketch and plan. Till then, keep revising all these topics. Have a nice day.